Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming at you with another video. Today's video is a unboxing and my first impressions of the Frank Muller I got in the Vanguard, the V45. Now, it's not usually my cup of tea, but as you guys know, I like to show you guys all different perspectives of the hobby. And Frank Muller is a brand I feel like that needs to be covered. It isn't really covered a whole lot. It can be appreciated, even though it still isn't your style. I feel like it's an important part of the industry, an important part of the brand and the history of the brand and everything. I feel like Frank Muller deserves a little more attention. Quick wristwatch check, by the way. I'm wearing that Borealis prototype. Rob sent in. I'm really digging this. Ellipso, perfect size. Of course, you know I dig the orange, but look for a review on this guy coming up soon. Just been wearing it, checking it out for a little bit. But we'll go to the desktop and I'll show you the Vanguard, the V45 in question. This is a little more under the radar watch that Frank Muller usually makes, but like I said, you'll see why when I show it to you. They usually are known for their crazy, funky designs and everything. And like I said, this may not be your cup of tea, but it may be the next guy maybe like it, and he can see whether he likes it or not. But anyways, guys, we'll show you the watch. Here's the watch in question. Nothing too crazy in the box. Though for a luxury brand, I would expect a little bit more fanfare. It's got their logo on there. See the outer inner box there. And here is the watch in question. Like I said, not overall, this isn't too bad of a watch. A little under the radar compared to what they usually do. The point clasp, nicely made, almost like a PVD kind of finishing, or sapphire crystal. But here's the watch in question. Like I said, overall, I went to ECJ Lux a couple months ago. I saw these in person for the first time, and I was actually impressed. I never really thought I would, kind of dig them. But I kind of do. I mean, would I buy one? Probably not. But maybe if I hit the lottery, had a bunch of extra money or something like that, I might would buy one. These definitely have a cult following, kind of like Panerai. This is a love it or hate it piece. But overall, definitely a pretty cool piece. Pretty cool to look at. Look for a full review coming up in a week or so. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment. Alright, peace.